Hello guys, welcome to Tech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to use the DataKasa Instant BUY feature to purchase cheap and affordable data bundles here in Ghana. Okay, so DataKasa has a feature called Instant BUY, and in today's video I will show you guys how to use it and how you can buy cheap data from it. Okay, so I already have my DataKasa app installed on my phone, and if you don't know how to install the app, I will leave the app link in this video description so that you guys will just click on it and start downloading DataKasa app. Okay, DataKasa is very cheap to buy internet data. So let's begin. I'll just open my app. Okay, I'll open the DataKasa app. Okay, so they have two options to buy data. It's either you register as a user to buy the data, or you can just use the instant buy to purchase the data. Okay, so with the instant buy, you don't need to register an account. Okay, it's very simple and easy. No sign up needed, no registration needed, just simple, go straight forward and get your data with ease. Okay, so we will just use this instant buy to purchase the data. Okay, so I'll click on this instant buy. Okay, so this is the homepage of the instant buy feature. Okay, so buy data instantly, no registration required, choose your network and get instant delivery. Okay, so this is very simple. As I said, you don't need to create any account to buy the data. You just need to come to the platform, you select your network and you move straight forward. Okay, so let me buy data. Okay, so in this video I'll buy MTN. Okay, so currently they have 17 bundles for MTN. Okay, from 1 gig to 100 gig they have 17 bundles. They have 9 bundles available for Telecel. They have 16 bundles available for AirtelTigo, and you can see a lot of people are buying data right now. So first I'll just click on the MTN because I want to buy MTN data. I'll just click on the MTN and you can see they have many methods. You can either use the list and select whatever you want to buy, or you can use the grid method. Okay, so when you click on the grid method, this will appear. Okay, you just need to tap on the bundle you want and you're good to go. So let me use the grid method. I'll just tap on 1 gig, and 1 gig is very cheap. This is 5 cedi 80 pesos. Or if you want to use the list method, you just switch to list, then you select your data bundle. So data bundle 1 gig is 5 cedis. Then you enter the number you want to use to receive your data. Okay, you can either enter your loved one's number here, or you can enter your number here. Okay, if you want to buy the data for yourself. Okay, so let me enter my number. Okay, and there is a notification over here. You can see this is a Telecel number I entered, but I have selected MTN. Okay, so this app will notify you so that you don't make any wrong transactions over here. So let me enter my correct number. I have entered the correct MTN number over here. So this will appear, pay 5 cedi 80 pesos to buy the data. Okay, so I'll just click on it and wait for me to make the payment. Okay, so this will redirect me to pay stack. Okay, so you can either pay with your mobile money or you can pay with your card. But since I'm using mobile money, I'll just tap on pay with mobile money. Then I will enter the number I want to use to pay. Okay, and automatically the provider will appear. You can see the provider is here. Okay, so now I will just click confirm, and a pop-up will come to my phone to enter my Momo pin. And you can see payment was successful. So my order was received and the payment was made successfully. This is my order number, and they said please copy this order ID to track your order later. Okay, so I'll just tap on this and I have copied the order ID. So I just click on track order and this will appear, so I can just paste in the ID I copied and track my order. Okay, so currently my order is processing. Okay, so the 1 gig I bought for my MTN is processing right now, and this is how you can buy cheap and affordable internet bundle from this platform without even registering an account. Just very simple. So you need to wait for some few 1 to 2 or 3 minutes to receive your internet data. Okay, so currently it's still processing, and let me track the order again to see if it's completed or not. Okay, so I will just click on this track order, and you can see my data is completed. Okay, I have received the data. Okay, so if this video helped you to buy data from DataKasa app using their instant data feature without registering any account, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.